Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your account and device are ready. Xbox Cloud Gaming must be available on your browser or Xbox app, and your PS4 controller needs a charged battery. Once done, decide wired or wireless. Wired gives instant connection via USB cable, while Bluetooth requires pairing steps. Make sure other controllers are off to avoid conflicts. Now plug in the cable or open Bluetooth settings on your PC or mobile device. This is the action that initiates the controller link. If you went wired, the OS should recognize the dual Shock 4 and present it as a gamepad. Make sure the browser has focus. For Bluetooth, press and hold PS and share until the light bar flashes, then select the controller from Bluetooth pair list and confirm. Once paired, test basic inputs in a web game or controller tester. If buttons map oddly in Xbox Cloud Gaming, use Steam Input or a mapping utility to remap PS4 buttons to Xbox layout, ensuring a /B/X/Y align correctly. Launch a cloud game and confirm responsive input and correct button layout. Take note of any lag. If latency or dropouts occur, switch to a wired connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or use Ethernet to reduce latency. If buttons don't match Xbox layout, remap with Steam Input or a third-party utility and test again. Should pairing fail, unpair and restart both devices, clear browser cache, and try another USB port or different browser. These steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.